It's going. Yo.
Yo, big up.
AJ Pursuance.
AJ Pursuance.
I'm
Jack.
I'm Alfie McConnell.
I'm Jack Williams.
Today we are going to the Four Falls with all of the boys.
Beacons.
With all the boys. And we're going to take you with us. We weren't going to. Our first video was going to be going to some mad mountain, but
you know, we're
little
having
test
a
run.
trial out.
We got this mad contraption called a GoPro.
Oh, look at the GoPro, it's fucking quality, it's beautiful.
We're going to give it a little go, mate. So,
yeah, let's get to work, baby. Go.
There's bloody puppies, mate.
Hello, little puppies. We got Django and Lola, little cuties.
Oh, a little scratcher, isn't it?
That pole's ready for this one still. Chillin' on in the UK. Everybody gonna say UK. Most of this press don't fuck with me. Estelle once said, tell me cool down, down. Know how they fool now, now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now. And it's litty in New York. Concrete jungle where trees are made of. There's no
Yo, we've made it to the...
We fucking made it.
We've made it to the Four Falls.
Out of service, and we're meant to have another car here, but
yeah, Sai and the other boys are not here, but we made it, so it's good. It's beautiful, actually.
Absolutely.
Well, we're not at the Four Falls, but we're in the car park where we're camping out tonight. Wild camping, baby. Yes, we can.
Camp wherever we want.
Oh, I need to get out of the car.
Wait. Hold it.
Save it, Alf, save it.
We're out here.
Save it to the memory.
It's the morning.
It's the morning. The camp. Morning.
The Four Falls. Gold again.
Absolutely hero. Litty, got the bacon.
Whoa. Meat, bruv.
Meat,
bruv. Bear meat. About to go on a plumage. Into the atmosphere. Tell them how you feel about it.
You know, we're absolutely going to go exploring. I feel great. Drinking a Corona. Napo.
Brecon Beacons, Wales.
Brecon Beacons,
the Four Falls walk. We're out here. Good morning, England. We made it to the first waterfall.
You know, it's absolutely looking.
Does it pretty mad to be fair? Oh, in. Boom.
Goodness gracious, the scenery is absolutely beautiful.
Man, I spot. Crazy shit out here, man. Crazy. So mad. Didn't even do it justice out here. That's bloody beautiful, mate. Gonna get in here in a minute. It's gonna be bloody crazy. We just made it too. Tell them what I want.
At the Four Falls, gonna fucking get a bit sandy off the side of here, bro.
I'm gonna do it, bro. Huh? It's gonna take your breath away, bro, so be careful. How cold? Send it!
make sure you jump fast. Whoa! He's got it. Hey, buddy.
Oi, Nappy.
Absolutely living the dream. King nuts on smoke.
Yeah, yeah. All the boys.
All the boys, sun's coming
through. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Splendid.
We just did a crazy jump. How did you feel about the jump, Jack?
Absolutely radical, mate. I honestly, best jump of my life. I got in that water and it just changed me for life.
You heard it here first. I don't have words for it. It's in a mad fronty. Go scatty with it.
I ain't sitting in front of that.
Why?
I said something.
Go on then.
Yo guys, literally on absolute missions out here, you know. We've got Alfredo in the background. Absolutely munching up and down these hills. We're absolutely full blown. I reckon we're just the human Tarzans of the world. Literally look at these steps. Absolutely radical. Couple of munchkins, really? That's what we're saying out here. Yeah.
They came bounding
Absolutely on an adventure.
over. And they came bounding over.
Bounding over, we got all the boys at the top. You know, they're just fucking, they're just chilling. Look at these dudes, look at these dudes. You've done it. Oh, look at these dudes.
Well, go on with that.
I ain't ever coming fucking Brecon Beacons again, my bro.
literally just swore.
I ain't give a fuck.
Napo's done out. Napo's done out, but we're still gonna make him go.
Oh yeah.
Napo's got more left in the tank.
Unless we get the
What do you think about
999,
that?
get the air ambulance here now. My mate can't walk any further. Cheers then, bud. Very much appreciated.
Oi, Squinter!
Oh, Squinter.
Squinter, go!
Whoa.
Mate, she looks too good.
He's like bat dog. Oh, come here, Winter, come here. Winter,
She looks like a peanut.
Winter, come here. Whoa.
Squinter!
How'd you get that?
Nah, I didn't charge him. Hello.
Hello there.
We made it back. We made it back
back to Bartley.
from our mission.
2 hour drive. It was not too bad actually. I had Nando's with the boys.
Yes, we went for a banging Nando's, hit the spot.
Absolutely.
We ended up going a little bit hard last night, so the footage today is minimal, but it's still pretty cool.
Yeah. Got some good clips.
Got some fucking swearing. That's got to stop. We
What?
got to learn the habits of not using potty language.
Oh,
potty language.
Pretty good,
Lean.
mate. Oh, look at the lean. Oh, look at the lean.
Ooh,
Oh,
popping.
check that. Oh, look at that sunset. Can you see sunset? Yeah, it's
reckon you
beautiful
can.
out here, really.
It's bloody lovely. Yeah, that was a mad mission. That was a good mission. We got plenty more missions to come.
Plenty. Got big plans.
Why are we? Yeah, we got big plans.
What happened?
3 years time.
We're
We've
off.
got, we are off.
Disappearing into foreign planets.
Into the distance we'll go.
Poof. Man, that was synchronised.
That was good, wasn't it? Yeah. Dead out. Went hard last night. Had a sick day today. You would have just seen everything. Got mad plans coming. Stick around for them if you find this cool. Our next video is gonna be lit. We'll be a bit more in touch with you guys because we were taking this in with the boys. We were taking it in with the boys.
It'll just be a me and Alfie mission next time, so you get a lot more crucial information.
POV.
POV.
That's some fucking
Beat that.
potty mouth.
Potty mouth.
Thank you for watching.
Big love.
Big love.